Just a few notes on reading your program evaluation. On your program evaluation, you will see the classes you have taken, your classes in progress currently, and the classes you have left to complete. For the classes you have taken, you will be able to view the course title, the term in which you took the course, the grade you received, and the number of credits of the course. You can see that here. In the notes section, IP indicates that the class is in progress. INC stands for an incomplete course. TE means that you received transfer credit for this course. RP stands for a repeated course. PR stands for pre-registered. So after registering for your classes, you will notice that they have a PR in the notes section. And finally, W indicates that you withdrew from a course. At the top of your program evaluation, you will notice your name, student ID, program, catalog year, anticipated completion date, and email address. Please note that your anticipated completion date may not be correct depending on credits that you transfer in, credits that you have yet to complete, or your credit load per semester. Generally, you will complete 30 credits per academic year unless you are in a 3-year program. Now, on to your program summary. The first row of your program summary gives you information on your program credits, including your required program credits, the credits you have earned to date, and the credits you have left to complete. The second row will have information on your institutional credits, which are credits earned specifically at SNU. The third row will have information on your institutional GPA, or your GPA from the classes that you have taken only at SNU. The fourth row indicates your overall credits, which are credits earned at SNU and any other institution you have attended. Your overall GPA indicates your GPA of all courses taken at SNU or otherwise. You'll also notice some important information at the top of your program evaluation regarding institutional credit requirements, English 099, and Math 050, as well as GPA information. Be sure to review this information carefully when reading your program evaluation. Also, be sure to check the full entirety of your program evaluation to review the number of credits that you've completed and the credits that you have yet to complete. Please see our other videos for more helpful information on reading your program evaluation.